welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing with you all must have face washes in monsoon. So let's go. During monsoon season क्या होता है, our face goes through a lot of things like humidity which leads to dirt, which leads to oiliness, pimples, breakouts, and it's really important to make sure that our face is 24/7 moisturized and hydrated. We should wash our face twice a day. One is morning and second is night. So many of you have asked me why we have to wash our face during night time, because it's really important to clean our face due to the pollution, the dirt which we go through. No matter you apply any makeup or you don't apply any makeup, still you have to wash your face with your regular face wash. A small tip: if you're having an oily skin just like me, then use a gentle soap based face washes, and if you're having a dry skin, then use a moisturized based face wash. I'll show you my top 5 must have face washes. So let's go. We have Clean and Clear Foaming Face Wash. It is a very gentle based face wash, and if you are an oily skin, then you should definitely give it a try. It will not only remove your acne and pimples, but it will also give you a natural moisturizing look. It means it won't take away your moisturizing from your face, and it is one of my favorite face washes. Here is Cetaphil face wash. It is for all skin types. The best thing about the product is it's soap free, and it not only removes your acne or pimples, but it also gives a soft, glowing, moisturizing look to your face. And one of my friends recommended it, and I'm really happy after using this face wash. This face wash from Nykaa. You can buy from Nykaa or Amazon, or you can also try in your local stores, but I don't think that you can find it from local stores. Is Patanjali Saundarya face wash. If you're having a dry skin, then you do not use this product, because this is only for oily to normal skin people. And present I'm using this face wash, and I'm really happy after using this, because it helped in removing my acne and pimples, and it also gave me a soft moisturizing look, which I really love it. So if you haven't tried, do give a try. Face wash in your nearby stores or even in online stores. Again, one of my favorite face washes. This is from Nature's Organic Active Charcoal Face Wash. It is best for all skin type girls. No matter you have oily, normal, dry, combination or sensitive, you can just go through this face wash, because charcoal helps in removing our excess dirt, our oil, our pimples, and it also gives a natural moisturizing look, which is a very good thing. And if you haven't tried it, please grab it ASAP. This face wash even in your nearby stores and even in online. I bought it from a normal local stores. But not the least, number 5 is Lakme Blush and Glow face wash in the flavor Peach Burst. If you are having a deadly dry skin, then definitely give it a try. My mom is having a dry skin, and she used it, and she is in love with this face wash, because it not only removes her pimples or her dryness, but it also provides a natural moisturizing look, which she really loves. So yeah, if you are a dry skin and you're looking for a nice face wash, then this is a very good go option. These were my top 5 face washes for monsoon. Hope you all enjoyed my today's video. Let me know in the comment section which video you're looking forward for. Till then, take care.